Iwan ko na lang sa Pilipinas pa. Huy, sige na, bigyan mo na ako. Mga kaunting ano lang pala. Ito yung hindi ko inakalang magustuhan ni Mister. Ang bilatong.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Masamang morning, guys. Okay lang naman ako, guys. Pero, guys, what happened to my body? Yung diarrhea ko. Stop. What is going on? My bag yung stomach. May something yung stomach ko. May something bug or something. So, what I'm gonna do is this is a scientific.
That's what you might like to use as science.
No, this is not science. This is just what I think. Like, I'm gonna make a banana. You know, like, yung banana na i-fry ninyo, guys. Hindi ko ito alam gawin. So, i-ano ko na lang ito parang imaginary. Because I miss that banana that you put in the fry and then you... I don't know kung ano yung nilagay nila dun.
She's imagining her own cures, guys. We'll let you know how that works out.
Hindi ako talaga. Kanina pa ako sa CR. Guys, I think
that if I do this, I'll be good.
Look at you who's talking.
Right in my head, I think that.
Look who's talking.
Huh? I
Look who's
backed my own
talking.
facts and research. What do you back
No,
yours on?
you didn't do anything.
Huh?
No, you didn't.
Facts and research. What do you back
When
yours
you're
on?
in pain, you don't even go to the doctor. You're a hard head, and then you're good with talking to me. Like, go to the doctor. I will see you to the doctor.
There's no reason to go to the doctor.
Yeah, there's no reason, look. There's no reason, and look what he felt all the freaking time, and there's still no reason.
So what am I going to it for exactly? So there it is. Well, it works. And I like that doctor.
Huh?
And I like that doctor.
Whose doctor are you talking about?
Doctor in Kingston, shady dude.
Oh, you like it, and then he sent you to the right one for your back.
Hey, look what? You want to put me in the wheelchair now?
Pagkain na ito, guys, is hindi ko talaga alam. Ano lang natin ito? Banana and flour. Okay. So, ano lang ito? Hindi ito banana bread na yung iniisip natin. Ano lang po ito? Banana at saka flour lang. I think it's too much flour. Invention, guys. Walang sugar, banana lang at flour. Kasi hindi ko na makain yung banana sa ano niya, sa ano na, sobrang soft na. Okay. And, so, kasi, diba, yung tiyan natin.
Nakita na ko na ang yun, siguro ko ang pulma.
Pareha, agod, agod.
Akong ipon, nagmanggulasad. Damo ka ginangkunan eh. Dami na kailangan. Kap mantika, 5. Namay na kaya idon.
Daday, oh. Preto na ako, day, oh.
Saging gipreto.
Saging, gibutangan na ako og flour, day.
Sa flower?
Flour ba?
Flower? Ito ko nito.
Tommy, try it. And he likes it. He said it's good.
He likes it. Mikey likes it.
He likes it, guys. So, let's try. Para siyang ano, lasang, yun know, sa Pilipinas, we kind of sprinkle with sugar. White sugar. Ito siya.
He likes it. He's staring at you, man. Little man is staring at you.
Whatever you're making, you eat. Mas masarap yung saging na ano, saba. Masarap na ito, pero yung saba is maganda talaga.
Little man, little man. If I were a little man, then I would do what I can.
Are you gonna make your egg?
The only point that they can be, just give me something.
And nagluto ako ng rice para makakain tayo. And alam nyo, naglaba din ako kasi ang tagal ni Mr. natapos. Ang tagal niyang nyatapos. So nagluto siya ng egg kanina. Hindi ko kinain kasi ayaw kong kumain nga. So yun, sabi ko, ikip mo yan kasi kakain ako. It's 10 o'clock. Yung kinain ko kanina, yun lang, di ba? And then parang hindi ako nabusog. And mamayang gabi, parang hindi natin makalimutan. Nilabas ko ito, oh. Nakalimutan kong lutuin kagabi, kahapon. Sabi ko, para hindi na masira, nilabas ko para hindi ko makalimutan. Puti na lang yung rice cooker is gumagana pa kahit luko-luko pa minsan. Luto ka ng luto, after 30 minutes, walang nangyari. And guys, sobrang ano guys, oh, masaya yung plant. Look, masaya siya, diba? Look, masaya. Masaya siya. Kasi, iwan ko, akala ko talaga mamamatay ito, pero tumaas talaga siya, look, oh. Maganda talaga siya, tumaas. And yun. At also, ang saya ko dahil na marami ng dahon ang anthurium natin, guys. Tubig lang pala ang katapat. Huwag nyong i-dry kasi tubig lang ang katapat. And also, hindi siya namamatay. Yung orchids, buhay pa siya. Bakit masaya siya? Nakikita ko yung mga roots niya is lumalabas, tumataba, ganun. And ito naman masaya kasi malaki na yung pot niya, yung lalagyan niya. And guys, meron din akong ano sa inyo, dahil sa COVID, ang dami naming ano ni Tami, ang dami naming wipes, 'di ba? Yung wipes is may alcohol. So ang ginawa ko is 'di ba, palagi ko siyang ginagamit kahit saan, sa mga counter, sa mga refrigerator, ganon. At sa toilet. So, yun. Kaya bumibili namin ng marami kasi mga toilet namin may mga wipes. So, guys, ito na. So, wipe ako ng wipe, diba? Sa mga upuan, ganon, kahit saan. So, naobserbahan ni Tami dahil sa gamit ako ng gamit sa toilet seat. Sabi pa ni Tami, huwag mong gamitan ng wipes na with alcohol yung upuan kasi nasisira daw yun, diba? May parang paint yan. Hindi yan yung talagang toilet na parang ceramic, yung parang, basta yon plastic yung upuan. So, sabi niya, wag kang mag-wipes ng with alcohol, yung ano, upuan. Kasi ano, umiitim. Sus, Ginoo. Hindi man siya sobrang itim ngayon, pero nag-start na siyang umiitim yung sa gilid-gilid. Sabi pa, patay. Sabi pa niya, dapat ko daw ang i-stop kasi pangit tignan yung toilet. Baka sabihin ng ibang dumi. Pero itim lang pala dahil sa kababagnod ko ng ano, wipes. So, umitim siya. So, kayo, wag niyong anuhin or Clorox or Clorox or alcohol. I'm talking about the toilet turn out black. I thought the wipe with alcohol is fine. Only Clorox is not good.
The painted surfaces.
The painted surfaces. Yeah. So, yun. Bawal pala. So, I'm cooking rice. I'm doing the laundry. And I have stomach pain. Tommy's car doesn't on. Kailangan na niya ng battery, guys. Kaya, pag on niya, wala. I need to buy another camera, guys.
Error.
It's always error. But then,
Another camera. Error.
yeah, error. So, we have to return the battery. Yung battery sa sasakyan ko, i-return namin. And because Tommy need a battery, because his car now patay na din. So,
Ask Mom now how much he's got for charging for my battery. Mine's gonna be a lot more expensive than yours.
what is, do you know the number of your car? Do you have the license? The thing?
Yeah, they can figure it out now.
Okay. So, anyway, so yun. And he need to buy his own battery na kasi patay na. And then, after that, we're going to Home Depot. And yun, kakain lang ako ng Skyflakes because Skyflakes is life when you are sick.
Skyflakes. It flakes from the sky. We used to call them snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
But now that's what we call little whiny liberals.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm not gonna put it in
Why you
there.
hurt my feelings?
Oh my god. You're annoying. Anyway guys, so yun. So we have to return the battery and hopefully mura lang yung battery nila for Tami kasi alam niyo na. So, Han, can I ask you if I want you to... How much is that? 13. So bibili kami nito guys para yung hindi apa ng proxicles.
Oh, and these are short too. These are the same short like that. We only got one. Oh no, they got one in the back.
How much is this?
$14.
No, $35.
What?
$35.
14.
Han, you have to look quickly.
Read it.
Okay, listen. If I ask you to cut like this, can you cut it for me?
Yeah.
You think? You know, if it's too long for the garden, can you cut it for me? Oh, we need to know the price of this because I like this one. Well, I like this one too. Can you cut this too?
Yeah.
Can we know the price for this? We need a cheaper one.
I don't know the price on it.
Okay, can we ask somebody? And guys, ang daming kahoy dito. Gusto ko kung mga ganito ba. How much?
It's $1 more for the wood.
$1 more for the wood?
Right.
Like what is $36?
$14.98 for wood, $13.98 for the vinyl.
Okay, let's go to the vinyl, the white one.
Why? So you like the wood? For $1? Does it make a difference really for $1?
Okay, then get the wood. So like we really can...
2 pieces of lettuce. How do you say? And 2 bins. 5 of. Oh yeah.
And this plant, did she do this?
This is the plant.
Okay. Hi guys, nagbihis na tayo. Nilabhan ko to guys. Ang bango. Pero lalabas lang tayo din. Mag-continue tayo sa ginawa ko kahapon. I-continue lang natin. And then, mag-bathroom muna tayo. Bagong laba ito. Ang bango ay sayang naman isuot. Sayang isuot sa labas. Pero kailangan kong i-continue para hindi. Kasi paputol-putol yung trabaho ko. Pangit tignan.
2 hours later.
Hindi pa ako tapos doon. Kunti na lang. Pagkatapos nito, kunin ko na lang yung mga damo na tumubo. And then, mulch. Tayo ng munggo at saka string beans magata. Kasi mamaya babalik ako. Anuhin ko naman. Pinaplant ko na. Nilagay ko na yung mga plant na nabili ko. Nilagay ko na sa ground. And then, mamaya lalabas na naman tayo. Punta tayong back sa likuran para maglagay ng soil and then lagyan ng mulch. Kasi bumili din si Tami ng mulch. Nakaka-lurker. So, I think mayroon pa akong extra munggo eh. Ito, mayroon pa. Dagdagan natin ng konti. Kasi magreklamo yung isa. Kapag magluto ako ng munggo, sabi ko, bakit konti lang yung munggo? Maganon yan. Alam ko talaga itong munggo, pang ito eh. Yung arthritis ko, lalala. Kapag magluto ako nito, pero wala tayong choice kasi eh. Gusto kong magmunggo guys. Meron naman tayong, wala akong ginger. Wala tayong gulay. Ayun lang string beans oh. Kunti lang yung lutuin ko guys kasi wala pala tayong bok choy. Masarap kasi ito pag may bok choy. Bok choy at saka ginger kaso wala tayong bok choy at ginger. Do we still have tilapia left? Oh, the one that I cooked?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
Are you gonna eat 2? Do you want me to cook more for that?
No.
Han, why you answer? Oh my God, Han, I farted, Han. Walang hiya. Walang hiya. Hanset, walang hiya.
One debt to society later.
Trabaho muna tayo dito sa loob, loto. Kasi, 4:42 na ng hapon. And galing ako sa labas. Hindi pa rin ako tapos. Marami pa ako talagang gawain, guys. And itong yard namin, kailangan ng ikat. Yun. Yung dalawang kahoy, nilagyan ko na siya ng ng lupa. And then, pagkatapos ng lupa, lagyan ko siya ng material. Yung material na hindi tutubo yung mga damo. Alam mo, paminsan kapag bumibili ako dito, for example, isang load ng mulch ng truck, ilang cubic lang, diba? Inisip ko, pwede bang mangtawad yung, hindi mangtawad yung, for example, pag marami kang bibilhin, manghingi ka ng extra, diba? Like, oh, gusto ko ng extra, bigyan mo ako ng kaunting ilang bucket ng mulch. Yung ganun ba? Dito wala, guys. Walang ganun. Iwan ko kung bakit. Walang sabihin mo, can you add a little bit because I buy a lot? Hindi, mga ganun. Depende na yan sa tao na binibilhan mo kung bigyan ka ng extra. Pero wala akong sabihin mo, manghingi. Iwan ko na lang sa Pilipinas. Pakuy, sige na, bigyan mo na ako. Mga kaunting lang pala. Marami na pong binili. Ay, dito ulit talaga walay. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, ininit ko ulit yan. Luto na siya. Ilagay ko itong onion. Ganyan ako, guys. And then, lemongrass. Oh, I like this one. It's very milky. Oh, this is Caribbean Dreams. Coconut milk. Leche de coco. Leche si Coco Martin. Leche si Coco. Ay, nako. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng tubig kasi may tubig na ito dito konti. And ayaw ni Tabi, yung kapag ganito yung lutuin ko, ang pinakaayaw niya is yung parang masabaw. So, ang gagawin ko is initin lang ito ng initin hanggang magkaunti na yung sabaw kasi yun lang siya. At saka yung string beans yung ilagay ko kasi ayaw kong maglagay muna ng malunggay dito. At saka ito itago na yan. Tago. This is the magic of my cooking. This one. Simhota. Amuyin nyo, guys. Ang bango. Amuyin nyo. Ang bango-bango. So, ito yung magic ng luto natin, okay? And then, Tammy won't even know that I put magic. Hindi niya malaman na nilagyan natin ng magic-magician. Magic-magician. And then, itapo na yung magic para hindi makita. And then, ang gagawin mo is ukayin mo. O mix mo siya. And then, later on, if this is boiling, you have to, before, inano ko to, parang dinurog ko. Pero this time, kapag pakainin mo siya, make sure na hindi mo malagyan. Ito yung sekreto ng magic. Okay? Kung sa Bisaya, palumay. Oh my God. And then, let it be. Next time talaga, ay nako, ang mangyari talaga sa inyo, matamakan man jud ka ba? So, next time, matamakan yun ang tiyan ni mo, ganunan yun ni mama, o, ganunan yun ni mama, nandyan ba? Ganunan. Ito yung hindi ko inakalang magustuhan ni Mister, ang bilatong. No, hindi bilat. Batong po ito, okay? Ito yung hindi ko inasahan na yung magustuhan niya. Ang klaseng gulay. Batong, pichay, at munggos na ginataan. So, hindi ko inakala. Okay, pabukalin natin yan ng matagal para maglisin yung soup kasi Tami ayaw nang ma-soupy. And then, lutong-luto na yung batong. Hindi na mahirapan yung ipin niya. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys anong nagawa natin. Oops, wala akong shoes. Dito. Wala akong shoes. Ito siya. Look. Hanggang doon. Lagyan ko na lang yan ng mulch. Mulchy. Para naman masaya. And nilagay ko na pala yung nilagay ko na yun. Yun. May aso doon. May mga bahay-bahay doon, oh. Yun lang, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Hindi pa talaga ako tapos doon, guys, kasi may area pa sa last doon, na pinaka-last, na parang alone siya ba. So, yan, at saka yan. I'm going to end the vlog, guys, kasi pahinga ako. Say bye-bye, love.
Hi, guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Wala masyadong ganap.